Hi everybody, David Lewis here. Oh, you have got to be kidding me. About 2 months ago, I had a dealer reach out to me for some fixed ops training for his service advisors. And part of the process, we do a mystery shop so we can get an idea of how the dealership is functioning based on inbound phone calls. And we called and we spoke to this specific service advisor who, without thinking, gave me a price for a brake job, never asked for my name, never got any contact information to follow back up with, and failed to ask for an appointment. Reviewed it with the dealer, went over our pricing, and he decided to hold off. About a month ago, I decided to mystery shop the dealership again. Same situation. Asked for a price. They gave it to me. Did not ask for my name, contact information, or even an appointment. I decided yesterday to call one more time. Got the same advisor I did the first time. Same exact thing. Gave me a price. Did not ask for my name, my contact information, or even an appointment. So I decided to call the dealer. And I spoke with him. We had a great conversation. And here's what he said. We're working on this internally. We don't want to invest the money in these service advisors at this time. How many opportunities do you have to lose to realize it's a training issue? This is the easiest thing to fix, but they don't want to spend any money. And we wonder sometimes why our dealerships are not as successful as they should be. Good luck, everyone.